Dear diary, I'm cooked. I have a test coming up and I don't understand a damn thing. It's all because of that Miggy Samson, the smartest boy in school, and my blockmate who I studied with in the library yesterday. He smelled like raspberries and his voice was so raspy. Miggy. Bear! Miggy, what are you doing here?
Di mo gets yung lesson?
Oo, Miggy.
Wait, sige Bear. Kaya natin to.
San ka hirap? Tito. Okay, so... Oh my. I'm getting it. Ito yung paa. Ito yung tuhod. He really is the smartest boy in school. Miggy Samson of 2PTB. I've fallen for you. Please be mine. Dyan sa Espanya, mag-ingat ka lang.